This product makes us nearly £100 in a month. My name's Dan, hello. You can tell me and Joe apart because I'll wear something that isn't all black. But welcome to the new series where I am going to be taking a product a week and we're going to be analyzing it to see what's good, what's bad, and how you can learn about Amazon FBA from each product. Each one of these videos will be on Sundays and Joe's longer Amazon FBA videos will be on Thursdays. This series is all about just taking one product, seeing what's good about it, seeing what's bad about it, and how we can learn from it. Let's go on with it. Today we're looking at the Yu-Gi-Oh! Multicolor Structure Deck. It's been a while since I've played Yu-Gi-Oh! A lot has changed from what I can see, from what I'm reading. Now when you're first looking at a product, there's lots of different sections that you should be looking at to see if that product is going to make you any money. The Profitl extension includes so many statistics and numbers on data that you need to know about how that product is selling, why it's selling, how it's been selling, the fees involved. First thing we're going to look at is the amount of sales that it's getting. This product is selling 15 to 29 units a month. That's not a sticking point. I would say it's okay. It's nothing fantastic though. Then if we take a look at the reviews that product's getting, that can tell us how popular it is and how satisfied the customers are when they bought it. We obviously don't want to be dealing with any returns or any problems like that. This is a 5-star product with 161 reviews to match, which shows us that people are happy when they bought it, which is great. Next, we're going to look at the return on investment to see how much this product is going to make us. So when looking at the return on investment, we usually aim for the 30% mark here at Profitl, just because that's the minimum amount we think that you should be aiming for in terms of what fees you should be looking to get. This Yu-Gi-Oh! Deck is at 52%, which is fantastic. And the estimated profit per unit is £3.23, which is pretty good. So if we were using the top end monthly sales of 29, combined with a £3.23 profit per unit, this product is making us £93.67p a month, which is fantastic. That's a dream scenario because we might not necessarily get that many sales, or the price might change. These things can change, but that's what we're looking at in terms of the maximum, the best that this product can do. It's also key to see how many other people are selling this listing as well. You can do this by going to the Profitl extension and looking at the Amazon FBA Sellers section. This one shows that there's 6 other Amazon FBA sellers on this listing. And we can also check the stock levels of each of these sellers as well. They have 140 stock available between them, with the highest amount being 67. In terms of the number of Amazon FBA sellers we recommend competing against, we would never really go any higher than 10. 6 is okay, you can compete on that level. 10 or higher, you're getting a bit messy and you're kind of competing for a listing that probably isn't worth it. There's no warnings to worry about on this one, which is fantastic. Another fantastic bit about the Profitl app, it tells you if there's going to be a problem with certain issues, such as if the product's oversized, if it's hazmat, or if you're at risk of getting an IP complaint. But for this one, no warnings at all. We'd also recommend looking at the price graphs for each of these products so that we can see across different periods of time how well it's been performing and whether Amazon themselves have been on the listing as well. So looking at the price graph for the last 9 months, the product has been relatively stable in terms of price and sales, but Amazon have been on the listing. Now they've not been on it for almost a year, but you do have to be careful when Amazon are on the listings because technically they can come back on and take top priority in terms of the sale. So for this Yu-Gi-Oh! Structure Deck, it's got pretty okay sales, a fairly decent amount of competition, but something that is workable. There's a minimal risk of getting undercut as we can tell from the price graph, but Amazon have been on the listing at some point, so it is something to be aware of. We do just want to say, please don't buy this product. Obviously this video is getting put up in a public space. There's going to be lots of people trying to get on this listing now. So please don't buy this product. This video is purely educational and just meant to tell you what's good and what's bad about a certain product. If you're interested in the Profitl extension, you can find out more about it at our website. You can also use this discount code to get some money off your subscription. I'll be back next Sunday with another product. I'm sure you cannot wait. If you haven't already, make sure to go check out our Instagram. It's got lots of educational stuff, short form content, reels, and some informative stories and posts. I will see you on the next one. Bye.